Hey guys, welcome to Hybrid Edc Creations, and today we're going to turn something that one of you guys suggested. This very cool hybrid blank. Alright, let's get to the video. Alright guys, so today, like I said, this beautiful burl hybrid blank with anodized aluminum everyday carry. We've made this one on the channel, and like I said, one of you guys made a suggestion, Leon did, so we are going to make this. And yeah, so a couple of people have asked, when I drill like hybrid blanks, I don't use a brad point. It's more of like an acrylic style blank, just in case I don't want to blow that out. Probably could use a brad point, which I have right here. So you guys want to know, brad point has a little tip on it. Anyway, so yeah, nice simple build today. We're gonna go ahead and cut it, get everything all set up, turn it, and I want to get a suggestion from you guys what I should do with this pen when I'm done with it. So stay tuned till the end, because I want to get your guys' feedback, and yeah, alright, let's mark it, cut it, drill it, turn it, make it into a beautiful pen, and then we'll figure out as a family what to do with this. Alright. Okay guys, so letting this dry from my alcohol wipe, but got the thin CA. You guys know I always put 3/4 coats of thin CA on, but one thing is right there, right on the corner, we can hide that crime, so we're not going to really worry about that. We'll put that under the pin clip. But this spot right here, the polyester or acrylic, whatever they used, did not get all the way into this little crack right here. And I'm kind of disappointed with this blank. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I wanted a lot more black on it. And I was like, well, I'll just put this at the top. Well, then when this little guy showed its ugly little head right there, so that kind of changed that. But we can fill that with our thin CA. We'll have to put a couple coats on there, but let me go ahead and put my non-stick bushings on. We'll get that filled with the thin CA, and get this put together. All right. Alright guys, well, we got our finish on, and it was cloudy and spotty. It was very abnormal. So, if this ever happens, just take your chisel, you you go over it really lightly, take all your CA off that you put on. Let me adjust you just a little bit. Take all the CA off. I'm going to try doing just thin coats. I got thinking about 12 thin coats on here. See if that helps. I'm not going to use any accelerator with the thin. Just remember, it dries really, really fast, so you don't need the accelerator. Give it about 30-40 seconds in between each coat. Put another coat on, let it dry, repeat, and voila. Alright guys, ta-da! Got the finish done on it. So, let's pull it off for you guys. Turned out pretty smooth. Anyway, let's get this over there and put it together. Alright guys, so I said stick to the end to figure out what I want to do with this pen. Well, I had so many troubles with this pen, I don't want it really out of my sight. So I don't want to do what I want to do with this pen. But that does lead to where I still need your guys' input, because I'm still going to do it, just not with this pen. What I'm wanting to do is to do a raffle on one of my pens every month, and all the proceeds, like however much money that pen makes, will get donated in that person's name to a military non-profit to help veterans or transitioning but that is something that I would like your guys' input. Is that something that you guys would be interested in? Would you guys help get the word out to where we can try to raise money for some of these organizations like Mission 22 and Wounded Warrior Project? You know, I live in Minnesota. There's a couple programs that are Minnesota veterans. But oh man. But is that something that I can get traction with you guys? I don't want to do something and not get any traction. I will be donating every kit. So whatever money you see that is earned, that's also all going there. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not taking anything. So every month I'll be donating the pen kit, the blank, the whole 9 yards. Oh, even with the chrome. I have a home for this. So it's not going to waste. No. I'm just worried about that clouding back up, and if it clouds back up, I know that I'll be able to keep my eye on it. So I know the one little spot of black that we had left, I covered it up. But really kind of get up in there, you can really see it turned out to be a very beautiful pen. So guys, let me know if you guys would support this, help try to get the word out so we can get as much money for each one of these pens. I know it's just a pen, and I know, you know, the money is going to charity, so I don't, I don't expect, a $500 pen, auction off a $500 pen, but every dollar counts when it comes down to helping out. So let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, put what you're thinking down below, and I will catch you guys next time.